Scott from Crab, Texas, has a leaky nook.
Another one of those great Texas towns.
Crab,
Texas. Anyway, he's virtually certain that his window nook was not built properly, Tom.
Okay.
So Scott writes, it protrudes about a foot and has taken in enough moisture that the interior wall is showing damage and what he thinks could be mildew on the hardy exterior. Fortunately, the nook is only about 3 feet wide, so he's hoping the damage is localized. And so, Tom, Scott wants to know, what's your advice on fixing this?
Yes.
Thank you.
We need to fix it.
Okay.
We need to fix it. I don't have a picture of it. I don't know how it's going to get fixed yet, but he says he feels it's built wrong.
Right.
There's damage all around it.
So here's let me try
so
this
we need
question
someone
for
to fix
Scott.
it.
Yeah. So who would you call to fix something like that? Would it be a roofer? You know, is it an issue on the top? Is it a framer? Is it a remodeler? What do you do?
These kind of, there's no specialist that'll do that. Now, we could call Ideal Roofing and they could say, hey, you got a problem here. If it's a flashing problem or something, then they can fix it. If it's a lot of carpentry work, then Rudy would have to get his carpenters out and rebuild the thing. Maybe get rid of it altogether for that matter.
That would be a great idea.
But somebody's got to do some initial investigation. And I think out of anybody, a waterproofer Ideal Roofing would be step one, just to have them come look at it.
Just to stem the flow.
Yeah, just to see what's going on. But
see what I did
don't know what's going to stem the flow. I don't know what it's going to take to fix it. There's no way here that I can tell you there how to do that.
There you go. Or maybe, you know what, Scott, you could just send us a picture.
Pictures help.
That would help. That's why we accept your pictures with your questions when you send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. You can see more of our answers over here on the side. And, of course, we'd sure appreciate if you subscribe to our channel.